Welcome back to RMUColonials.com. I'm Matt Geica, pleased to be joined by head women's volleyball coach Dale Starr. And Dale, you're a few weeks into practice here. The season's approaching. How would you say the team's coming together so far?
It's coming together pretty well. We only had 2 freshmen come in this year, and we didn't lose anybody from last year, so the learning curve has been a lot better. We've been able to really focus on execution and things, and some finer detail points rather than not a lot of teaching and a lot more on-court stuff. So it's been good. We're relatively healthy. We've had a couple of kids miss out on a couple of practices. One of our freshman setters did get a concussion early, and she had to sit out about a week, but she's back now, practice today, so we should be pretty healthy going into this weekend with our first with our inter-squad scrimmage.
Yeah, let's talk about that. The scrimmage coming up. As a coach, what do you try to get accomplished? What do you want to see at that point?
I want to see competitiveness. I mean, we've still got some kids competing for some playing time and some kids competing for positions, and I just want the kids to get out there and play hard and compete. It's hard when you're going into the 3rd week of playing against ourselves all the time. It's difficult to maintain that competitive edge, and so when they put on the uniforms, it creates a different mindset, and we'll have a few people in the stands, and we'll have the game day set up, and so it'll create a little bit more energy. So I'm hoping that'll translate into some better competition and better competitiveness on the court.
A couple weeks down the road, you'll open the season in Milwaukee for a tournament with the 7 seniors, with the additional leadership you have there. Do you have higher expectations for the first real match of the year?
Well, yeah, absolutely. It's these 7 seniors. 5 of them have been starters since they were freshmen, so they've got a lot of experience under their belt. Whether all 7 will see playing time, it's still a lot of that's still up in the air. We do have a couple pretty talented freshmen and some underclassmen that are playing really well right now. So, but just the leadership aspect and the fact that they're going into their senior year, I think the mindset changes a little bit. Last year they were all juniors, but we didn't have any seniors on the roster, so the mindset I think has changed a little bit. That realizing that they just finished their last 2 a day yesterday of their career. They don't have another spring to look forward to, so they're I think their reality's setting in a little bit, so I'm hoping that translates into some better play from them, and obviously some great leadership from them.
One last thing before we let you go. How does this year's team match up, and how does it differ skill-wise, I guess? What can this team do maybe the other teams haven't been able to do in the past, or how has that changed over the course of the last couple of years?
I think that we're as experienced as we've been since I got here. My very first year, we had 5 seniors, and we haven't had a big senior class since. And so we're as experienced as we've ever been, so I think that'll translate. And coincidentally, the last time we had this many seniors, we played for a conference championship. So that's our goal, is to get into that championship match, be in the conversation, and give ourselves a shot to be there. Our preseason is going to be a little bit tough. We do have some pretty good teams. We've got several NCAA tournament teams on the roster or on the schedule from last year. So I think the experience will help. And my expectations are the same as they are every year. We need to compete for a conference championship and put ourselves in the conversation.
Terrific. Sounds good. Dale Starr, thank you again for joining us.